Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a button on Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now, buttons can only be added on your website, which you of course need the website module to actually edit, but once you have it, you'll be able to very easily add it. You can add it through either making your own code, which is very easily done, since you do have access to an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript editor, which you can then use to create a button, or you can simply use the block editor, and let me show you how that is done. Now we're going to go into our website module right over here, and we're going to click on edit in the top right. You can click new if you want to create a new page, doesn't really matter, but yeah, just click on new over there, and under blocks, as you'll see for inner content, the first block is the button block. You're just going to want to click on it and drag it over onto your site, and as you can see, you can add it pretty much anywhere you want. And now we have a button. Now to make this button work, as you can see, you can remove the link, or you can edit the link, or you can copy the link. However, if you click on the element, it's going to take you over into the customize menu, where you can change anything in regards to that button. I'm not going to change anything, I'm just going to save it. And to show you guys how you can change your CSS, just click on site, go to HTML, CSS, and here I'll just edit HTML anyway. As you can see, you can choose HTML, CSS, or JS, and that's pretty much what you can use to code your own buttons if you want to. But that's pretty much all there is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.